The next question on the test was asking you to multiply decimals. You had 2.47 times 1.6. Now, with addition and subtraction, you had to line up your decimals. This is not true of multiplication. You must ignore the decimal. Ignore the decimals and line up the place values. Ignore the decimals and line up the place values. That is different. That is different from addition and subtraction because addition and subtraction lines up both. Okay? So we're going to ignore the existence of these two decimals. Now you choose whether you write it with the decimals or not, but you still have to ignore them. So I'm going to not even bother to write them until the end of the question. So this problem becomes 247 times 16. Notice how there are no decimals in my number, okay, in my equation. So I'm just going to appropriately multiply 247 times 6, everything times 6. And when you do that, you get 2, 4, okay, 24 plus 4 is 8. Carry the 1. Nope, sorry. Carry the 2. And then 6 times 2 plus that is 1,482. That's a partial product. A partial product from everything times 6. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 247 times 10. This is in the tens place. Therefore, it's not just worth a 1, it's worth 10. Okay? This is worth 10, that's worth 6. We're multiplying everything times 10. Therefore, that's where that 0 is going to come from. You can just place the 0 here rather than doing 0 times 0 times 0. We're just going to put a 0 there. Then we're going to multiply everything times 1. You know that the number is going to stay the same. So that is our second partial product. That's where that placeholder 0 comes from, is multiplying by a tens, okay, by a number in the tens place. Okay, so now we're going to add both partial products. So 2, the answer is 15, carry the 1, 4 and 4, plus 1, and then 3. Now, this is where the decimal comes back. You have to be able to go back to the problem where the decimals exist and put them back into your problem, or use the problem to count them. Either way would have worked for me. But what I need you to do is count the numbers to the right of the decimal. So there's 1, 2 numbers to the right of this decimal, 1 number to the right of this decimal, which is a total of 2 plus 1 equals 3. So we're going to go 1, 2, and 3 numbers to the right of the decimal and place our decimal right there.